We didn't see a huge snow event overnight, but the temperatures are still a huge concern for us this morning. So let's check in with our chief this morning to tell us what we can expect for the rest of the day.
You need to bundle up in lots of layers if possible, because we have the dangerous cold that's in place. Coldest air that we've seen since January of last year. So first alert weather days today and tomorrow. Extreme cold warning in place. Does include now all of North Texas for these dangerous wind chills. So that's what's new. So we've been talking about, and you can see one of our cameras. This is our Dallas City cam. It's iced over. We have light snow in some spots of North Texas this morning, too. Also some flurries. There's a dusting in some locations, as we mentioned. Brittany was saying in the Crowley area, she was thinking maybe a half of an inch. So we are seeing some accumulation. It's not causing any problems on the roadways. All of North Texas now is under this extreme cold warning until Thursday morning. Dangerous wind chills now as low as 12 degrees. Yesterday, we were thinking maybe 10 degrees, now possibly down to 12 degrees below zero. And these north winds are going to be gusting up to 30 miles per hour possible through the day ahead. We've already been seeing some reports of that so far this morning. So those are your highlights of what's new and what we're alerting you to on this first alert weather day. I want to show you our first alert radar, and you notice that we are dealing with some snow that has developed this morning. It's from a northwest to southeast component. Are we seeing lake effect snow? Are we seeing a combination of both? National Weather Service was saying since some of these bands are showing up over areas not connected to the lakes, we're not really seeing that right now. There's the potential we might see a little bit some lake effect snow developing. I'm going to move the radar up a little bit. Here's Benbrook. So north of that Benbrook Lake, stretching over to here's White Settlement. So are we seeing the snow getting picked up off of some of the area lakes, as you can see from the northwest down to the southeast? That's what we would need to have happen, a north to south kind of oriented lake for us to pick up that moisture. So we're seeing kind of maybe a combination of both in parts of Dallas County, also some light snow around. Let's take a look at one of our live drives this morning. We are seeing out on the roadways. Again, remind me where this is, control room. This is in Dallas right now. So you can see some of the snow there on the windshield. Very light snow grains as well showing up for me. So this is right near Webb Chapel Road as well. So we're seeing this, obviously just getting your attention as you're driving around this morning, but not really any problems on the roads as far as accumulation is concerned. We're seeing temperatures very cold this morning. So again, this extreme cold warning in place. It is 15 right now at DFW. Feels like temperature 3 below with a north wind at 22 gusting up to 31 miles per hour. Very dry airs in place. The dew point's 8 degrees. But I wanted to show you this 24-hour temperature change. Graham to Mineral Wells to Stephenville, more than 40 degrees colder than this time yesterday morning, to about 25 degrees colder the east sides of North Texas. So our temperatures right now are in the single digits. In Graham and Bowie to 13 in Den, to 21 in Athens, to 23 in Tyler. Feels like temperature 8 below in Bowie, to 9 below in Mineral Wells, to 1 in Terrell. Across the Metroplex, same story with these north winds that eventually will taper off as we go into tomorrow morning. So through the morning hours in the teens, feeling below zero as we go through the day ahead this afternoon. We're going to be seeing maybe 27 to 28 degrees, sunshine peeking up and feeling like the teens this afternoon. Your first alert 7-day forecast shows we remain below freezing today, tomorrow, until midday on Friday. We start to warm back up. So cold Friday morning, but then this weekend we thaw out nicely. 61 Sunday, by Tuesday 75.